Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to post a video to Odoo, add the title and description, and view it on your YouTube channel. First, log into your Odoo dashboard and navigate to the Social Marketing module. From there, click on Posts and select Create. Next, upload your video file by clicking on the Upload button and selecting the video from your computer. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to add a compelling title and a detailed description. For the title, think about what would catch your audience's attention while including important keywords. For example, instead of just how to use Odoo, you might write Master Odoo, a step-by-step guide to streamlining your business operations. This way, it's both engaging and optimized for search engines. For the description, start with a brief summary of what the video covers. Include keywords naturally throughout the text. You can also add links to related content, timestamps for key sections, and a call to action encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. After filling in the title and description, click on Save and then Post. Your video is now posted on your YouTube channel via Odoo. To verify, go to your YouTube channel. Click on Your Channel and then Manage Videos. You'll see your newly posted video listed there. You can view your video, edit the title and description if needed, and manage other settings directly on YouTube. That's it! You've successfully posted a video